在美国的密西根州一间超市发生有人拿刀乌白共扑的案件，造成11个人受伤。目前这个嫌犯已经去予警方抓起来啊。
警方接到报案，讲有真侪人被杀着伤，赶紧赶来密西根州这间沃尔玛超市，有伫现场看到人讲，看到受伤的人被抓出来，赶紧送病去。警方讲嫌犯是一个人犯案，无啥讲话。
1 count of terrorism, 11 counts of assault with intent to murder. Mr. Gilley's history shows prior assaultive incidents as well as controlled substance violations. A motive has not yet been determined.
第二发生时阵，伫咧现场的一位超市的人提讲，伊看到一个查甫人拿刀抬一个查某的颔棍仔。5分钟了，这个查甫人和5、6个超市的人给围起来，其中一个牙青对这个查甫人话讲，甲刀放落来。这个查甫人是哪话我无咧插啊，哪退后免互大家压喺涂骹。
Receiving calls stating that there was a man with a knife inside the Walmart store, actively stabbing people. At the time of the deputy's arrival, multiple citizens, including one who was armed with a pistol, were confronting the male suspect in the parking lot and preventing him from harming further people and leaving. The weapon used was a folding knife with a 3.5-inch cutting blade.
警方讲，嫌犯是对收银台附近开始抬人，沿路对店内抬到店外，无特殊对象，是看到人就抬。检察官讲，提出恐怖主义的指控，是因为这边的攻击影响规个社区，唔是特定人，后面将心内惊吓，也严重影响大家日常生活。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。